Hello friends, myself Samarth Bhaiya, and in this video I am going to show you how you can copy file from your local file system to your created EC2 instance using FileZilla. So first you have to install FileZilla using the command sudo apt install FileZilla. Sudo apt install FileZilla. So after installing that, you will have your FileZilla in your Ubuntu system. So first of all, I have already created an instance. So I've already shown how to create an EC2 instance, so there is nothing new in this. So if you select, you can see the details here. So here I have used the just a sec. I have used Samarth EC2 key only, and for FileZilla as well, .pem file won't work, so you have to convert it to .ppk. So I have explained this command in my previous video as well. So it's not much difficult. You will be using this command to convert your .pem file to .ppk file. So I'm renaming this file, and you are giving permission to this created ppk file, and I will open my FileZilla now. FileZilla. So first go to edit, settings, SFTP. So add your key here, your converted key. So this is my converted key.ppk. Press OK. So first I will be running my connecting to my EC2 instance. So for that, first you have to give permission. First you have to give permission for your key pair, that is chmod 400. So after giving the permission, you can come here and copy this and paste it here. So you can see my EC2 instance has been connected successfully. So now I'll be going to my FileZilla, go to File, Site Manager. So I have already created this EC2. You can create this by clicking on New Site. So here I will be adding the site, that is the public DNS. So here is this is the previous one. So here protocol will be SFTP and the host will be taken from here, that is public DNS. So I'll copy this and I will paste it here. So my username is Ubuntu. You can see my username is Ubuntu. So now press OK. Go to File, Site Manager, double click. So you can see I have connected my local system and remote system to FileZilla. So I can directly drag and drop required file to this. So for example, in my home Ubuntu, I will just do a sample dropping. So from downloads I will be just pushing a file. So downloads. So from downloads, ec2.png, this is a image. So I'll be dropping this. So you can see transfer finished, all files have been transferred successfully. So ec2.png. So you can go here and check the path. So it's home Ubuntu list. So you can see ec2.png has been moved from the local file system to the EC2 instance successfully. So after working, make sure you are disconnecting this service. So here it disconnects from the visible server. So if you press this, so you can see it's disconnected. Similarly, you can go to your AWS console and you can stop your instances. So you can stop the instances by selecting this. So stopping will just pause it, you can say, for temporary, and you can again start it, and terminate will permanently delete your instance created. So hope you understood how you can copy file from local file system to created EC instance. Thank you.